What's up guys, this is Mike from Get Lowered, and today we're showing you how to change the shield on the new Icon Airflite helmets. First thing you want to do is bring the shield all the way into the upright position. At this point you want to pop off the side plates. Next you want to click the shield one click further, which will allow the shield to come off. For the new shield, you want to line it up with your notches, and it'll go back on the same way the old one came off. Once you get it lined up, go one click down, it'll lock it back in place. At this point, you can pop on the side plates. And that's it.